So here's the thing, AI can generate a full fashion show catwalk, but for some reason, keeping the same person in 2 videos is pretty much impossible. So what if you could create an AI character once and then reuse them in every image and video project just by tagging their name? UGC influencers, realistic AI actors, cartoon avatars, brand mascots, hell, even a clone of yourself. Yep, you can do all of this in 2 easy steps. Most consistent character workflows are a bit of a mess. You're juggling reference images, copying prompts between tools, and basically praying the AI remembers what your character looks like. Kapwing gives you the same voice, the same face, every single time. All you need to do is head to kapwing.com and open their brand kit via the left toolbar here, and then scroll down to the character section and click the add button. Here you'll be able to enter your character details. I'm gonna create an AI version of myself, so let's call him Carson AI. All I need to do is upload some images, which will train the AI on how I look. But once you've done that, you can also attach a voice to your character. There's a whole library of stock, so I could finally give myself a deeper tone of voice, like Austin here.
We Southern folk love having folks over.
Or, of course, you could just use a voice sample of yourself. Just hit upload or record directly into the studio. Easy. This means you can create any type of character you can imagine. It doesn't have to be a clone of yourself or a staff member. You could use a bunch of AI-generated images to make your character. Earlier, I navigated to the Kapwing AI studio up here and generated an AI image of a werewolf. Then all I did was upload a few different images of Mr. Werewolf to the character section and gave him a voice. So let's see him in action. To use a character in your video, all you have to do is tag them in your prompt. Here I am in the Kapwing AI studio. Now I'm going to enter a prompt and use the @ symbol to pick the character I want in the video. Let's say a video of @werewolf reviewing his favorite peanut butter brands. And this is the result.
First up, we've got creamy classic peanut butter. This one's my go-to for morning toast.
That's it. That is the whole thing. So anytime that you are generating an image or a video, just add @ in the prompt box and then type the character's name. The AI drops your character straight into whatever you're creating. If there's dialogue in the script, they'll deliver it with lip sync. If there's no script, they'll just appear naturally in the scene. And you might be wondering, how long can they be? What AI models does Kapwing use? What aspect ratios could they be? Well, if you want to maximize your creation, here are my top tips. Okay, so tip 1 is be specific in your prompt. Basically, the more detail in your prompt, the better. Adding video length details and aspect ratios, that helps. Kapwing supports all popular aspect ratios, so 9:16 for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and 16:9 for things like YouTube. Just tell the prompt what you want. And when it comes to AI models, there's a load to choose from using this drop-down menu. Veo, Sora, Seedance. Don't worry, if you don't know which AI model to use, just enter your prompt and hit generate, and Kapwing will choose the best model based on whatever you're trying to create. Tip 2, think about full video projects, not just short clips. Kapwing specializes in full video projects, not just one-off clips. That means you can have this main character, you can ask for subtitles, B-roll, you can add background music. Just make sure that you ask for all these things in your prompt. After clicking generate, you will get a plan overview like this, so you click into the plan to edit or add aspects, like adjusting the script or changing the background music. Tip 3 is use clear, single-person images for your character build. I think this goes without saying, but make sure your images are clear and it is just you in those images. Uploading group photos, that is not going to help the AI at all. And if I uploaded a couple of images of me where I wear a beanie and one where I don't, yeah, that's not gonna help also in creating a consistent character. Before we wrap up this video, I thought I'd give you a quick rundown of what types of projects creators are using Kapwing's character tool for. First, faceless YouTube channels. Creators are running entire YouTube and social media channels just by using Kapwing. If you spend some time developing the perfect AI character, you never have to step on camera. Second, ad campaigns. If you have a spokesperson, a presenter, or a staff member who's the voice of your company, you can clone their image and voice and make sure that they are in every product ad. They're the voice behind your product. Next, brand mascots. Whether you want a cartoon vampire or a realistic human, you can set up a consistent brand mascot for social posts, seasonal promos, and landing pages in just 2 steps. And finally, customer support videos. Kapwing users are making some unreal customer support and internal support videos by using Kapwing characters. Now you can give clear guidance on products, explain detailed how-to steps, and generate tutorials using any lip-synced character. So there you have it, 3 steps to remember. 1, create a character using reference images and a voice. 2, tag the character in any prompt you use. And 3, generate the video and edit it however you want. For more video editing tips and content, subscribe to the channel on your screen, and I will see you next time. Bye.